Welcome to my channel MediCare. Please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button. Thank you.
5 benefits of yoga for mental health. Yoga has been practiced for thousands of years, and many people around the world practice it for its physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Here are 5 ways that yoga can benefit mental health. Number 1 is reduces stress and anxiety. Practicing yoga regularly can help reduce stress and anxiety by lowering cortisol levels in the body. Yoga's focus on breathing and mindfulness can also help calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Number 2 is improves mood. Yoga can increase the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood, and can also increase the release of endorphins, which are natural painkillers and mood boosters. Number 3 is boosts self-esteem. Practicing yoga regularly can help improve self-esteem by increasing self-awareness and self-acceptance. Yoga encourages a non-judgmental attitude toward oneself, which can help individuals feel more positive and confident. Number 4 is enhances mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and aware of one's thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Regular yoga can enhance mindfulness by encouraging individuals to focus on their breath and body sensations. Number 5 is improves sleep. Yoga can improve sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and calming the mind. Studies have shown that regularly practicing yoga reports better sleep quality and duration. Conclusion. In conclusion, yoga can be a helpful tool for improving mental health in a variety of ways. From reducing stress and anxiety to boosting self-esteem and enhancing mindfulness, the practice of yoga has been shown to have positive effects on mental health. Thanks for watching our channel MediCare.